goals here are to try and get your calcaneus, that is to say your heel bone, to be a little bit more mobile. After the Achilles repair, it's going to want to be in this tilted position. So like kind of in this inverted. And what we need to do is we need to go like this, and we need to get it to evert, and almost like breaking a stick.
You're an excellent job of trying.
Okay, so I'm going to come in with the meat of my hand right there on the calcaneus, grasp here with my other hand, and I'm going to pry it open.
Hold it.
Okay, I'm going to find that end range and then hold. Feel a big stretch on the inside there.
Is that way back?
Commonly what we get is this, is where people start to get this rotary component of their ankle, which is a decent mobilization, but not where you're restricted. Okay, and then so when you do it, go ahead, you grasp with the meat of your hand, line it up, nice, and then get that get that tilt. Okay, and if you pull your foot up just a little bit, that may help. Because then you're really locked in there. Great.
Might slip, that's fine. And slowly.
Okay, and then show me the way that's less than ideal, where you're getting the rotation.
Well, I end up going that way, but
Yeah, you're right, because your ankle wants to do this.
Yeah.
And you're like, no, I need you to tilt at the subtalar joint. Great, and then slow it. So that's it. Now just slow it down. Yeah, so you apply that end range stretch, just like that, trying to break that stick open. Okay, doing this daily, not more than like 3 to 5 minutes repeatedly throughout your day, would really help the ankle to kind of loosen up a little bit. And when your ankle is able to move better, you're able to access different muscle tissue to be able to strengthen.